I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine.
And they are all over here. Mantras. Shopping. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
This is
like
beautiful.
Something like this. Yeah.
This is so beautiful. I think this is okay.
He wants to give you a pillow.
Yeah.
Let's stand behind him so that it doesn't come on your video. Yeah. Okay, try lying on that, let's see.
This is pretty soft.
It is, I like it.
Okay. Oh, it's really high. Oh my goodness. Good night, everyone.
It's crazy.
It's so cool.
It's nice?
Lay on it
It's
as
soft.
like you would sleep at home.
Yeah.
I love it. It's so soft.
Yeah.
And I like the fact that it does not sink inside. And even when you wake up,
Oh, it's memory foam, right?
Yes, it's mixed. So this is a different phone.
I love this one. I love it.
How much does this go for, bro? King size specifically.
Let me check.
All right, bro.
It's so good. You can try. You can try since
Me?
you always complain of. Let me fix it.
No, I don't need to actually lie on it.
You don't need to lay. You have to lie down for your weight. Let me see how it goes.
Come on. So before any discount with this mattress only is $45.99.
45.
$45.99.
Okay.
Okay.
That's close to 5,000, right? That's, I know. 4,600.
4,600. Okay.
All right.
Hello.
Twin, you see the prices? Jesus Christ. King size. King size is how much is that? Almost $5,000. 3 million. Do I look like dollars? Hey family, finally our couch is here. Our dining table is here. Everything is here. Guys, there is a lot. So they'll be coming to assemble it very soon. So this living room is going to move from this to this. I am so excited. I cannot wait. I stepped out today. I was like, okay, let me just come back and jump on the couch. You know, I was thinking, only for me to get here. Ooh, the couch is still, everything is still in boxes. Like seriously, oh my goodness. Look at all of that. You can imagine the work. What kind of work is this? Oh my God. All right. Where will I start with all of this work? Right here. I don't know what is wrong with these delivery people. Look at this. Is not what I ordered. Look at what is this? I have to take it back to them. This is the chairs I ordered. Why will I take this one and take this one that does not even match? The whole place is a mess. I don't even know where to start.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and
Hello people, I hope you're doing all okay. So I am done setting up the apartment. Sorry I could not film everything, so I'm going to do a tour in the next video. Yeah, so I just finished setting up the apartment. Sorry, I already filed a complaint for this chair, these two chairs, so they're going to replace it tomorrow. After that, I'll be able to do a full tour. For now, I'm just trying to set up this lamp. I'm going to be linking it in the description box, or just put it on the screen. This is how the lamp looks like. I think it's 12 inches or something. Is it inches? About 1 meter plus. So these are the crystals. Like, it's a lot of work. I don't even know where to start from. My goodness, I have to hang all of this one after the other. I will just show you what it looks like later. Oh my goodness. Okay. See, this is how it looks like. This is the first crystal set. After I hang all of this, I'm going to now move to this. It's a lot of work. I can't finish it today. Yeah, so I wish I could show you the process of hanging it, but I'll just show you when I am done putting this thing up. It looks so lovely, isn't it? Yeah, people, so this is the first look. So this is how it looks. So I'm going now for the second. Oh, this is beautiful. Just going to put in bulbs in here and it light. See, 12 max 100 watts. Yeah. So this one got numbering 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, up till I think 20 or 35. So I'm just going to put it right here and we see how it looks like. Okay, let me show you after. This looks easy on camera, but it's a lot of work. Yay, people, this is the final product. You see that? It looks so beautiful. This is without the lights. Just imagine when the lights comes on. Posa! This is beautiful. I love it. Look at that, chic. We just bought our 75-inch. So we're doing the unboxing now. The other one we took to the room. So hubby is trying to. It's bigger than that wall, so it has to be mounted here. We're going to mount it so for us.